SBA Publications.
Hello, my dear students. How are you all? I hope you all are happy and healthy in your home. And I hope you all are doing very well in your studies as well. This is Amanda Sonisati. And I am also good at my place. So, student, today with me in this video, we are going to start our chapter number 8. And the name of our chapter is Formatting in HTML. So, today again, we are going to learn about HTML. Let's start. Today, in this chapter, we will learn heading tag, paragraph, alignment, new line tags, line break tags, no break tag, NOBR, that is represented by NOBR, blank spaces, background color, formatting tags. So basically हमने लास्ट क्लासेस में HTML की कुछ चीजें पढ़ी थी. Now we are going to continue the chapter. Here again we have introduction part. So let's begin with our introduction part. HTML is the most widely used language to design web content for the internet. HTML क्यों यूज होता है? ताकि हम इंटरनेट के लिए बहुत सारी वेब साइट को डिजाइन कर सके, वेब पेजेस को डिजाइन कर सके. That is web content here. It is a complete code package that allows the user to create web pages that contain both text and graphics. ये एक पूरा कोड पैकेज होता है जिसमें हम एक यूजर को ये अलाउ करते हैं कि यूजर टेक्स्ट और ग्राफिक्स से रिलेटेड वेब कंटेंट बनाए. Now this chapter covers the formatting tags, means all the tags that are used for formatting. इस चैप्टर में हम सारे उन टैग्स के बारे में पढ़ेंगे जो कि फॉर्मेटिंग, दैट इज एडिटिंग, ऑल्टरिंग, ओके, जस्ट टू मेक अट्रैक्टिव. ओके, सो उनके बारे में सारे टूल्स पढ़ेंगे, सारे टैग्स पढ़ेंगे. हियर देयर आर नॉट टूल्स, देयर आर टैग्स. For this purpose you have to write the coding in text editor, that is notepad और wordpad. और इसे करने के लिए हमें कहाँ पे लिखना पड़ता है कोड? वर्डपैड या फिर नोटपैड में. There are our text editor. After writing coding in Notepad, you can execute it by using any web browser such as Mozilla, Internet Explorer, etc., Safari. Okay. Now we will discuss some of common HTML elements that are frequently used in an HTML document. और आज हम वो frequently used elements को भी जानेंगे HTML के, जो कि एक HTML document में होते हैं. Here we have the very first topic of this chapter, that is heading tags. As the name is saying of title, that is heading. So it is used for writing heading. Okay. See here. Heading are used to display the text as the highlighted text that is slightly bigger than other text. Heading कैसी होती है? आपकी slightly bigger होती है other than text. Normal text से थोड़ी सी बड़ी होती है. Here is 6 levels of heading. हमारे पास 6 level हैं heading के, that is 1 to 6, that can be represented as H1, H2, H6. H1 is the largest heading. So H1 to H6 हमारे पास heading होती है 6 types की, and जिसमें से H1 जो है वो सबसे highest है. Now we have the syntax of the heading as well. See here, HN represents heading, and this is the opening tag, this is our closing tag. So this is our heading tag. Okay, so we are writing a heading text where N represents the N, that is number 1 to 6. Okay, now for example we will write HTML, because for opening this we are writing here opening tag, then we are writing here closing tag. Now this is our head tag. Okay, head tag is ended here, body tag is ended here. Okay, so see here, title we are writing here know your heading levels, lag, tags and title. Now H1, that is our first heading, we are writing here my computer. Okay, and this is our closing tag. H2 hardware, H3 is software, H4 is input device, H5 is output device, and we can see here this is how all headings will look like: my computer, hardware, software, input device, output device, and H6 is system software, and then close body and close HTML, closing tag. Now we have paragraph. To start the paragraph, we use the tag P. The tag P is used that defines a new paragraph. We insert this tag at the beginning of the paragraph. जब हम इस टैग को यूज करेंगे तब हम शो कर रहे हैं कि पैराग्राफ की बिगिनिंग हो रही है, स्टार्टिंग हो रही है. एंड कैन फॉर्मेट द एंटायर पैराग्राफ विद इट. और इसी से हम एंटायर पैराग्राफ को फॉर्मेट कर सकते हैं. ओके. Sometimes we can use this tag to skip a line at the end of the paragraph. हम कई बार इस टैग को यूज करते हैं ताकि हम किसी एक लाइन को हटा सकें अपने पैराग्राफ से. ओके. It is not necessary to put a close tag this at the end. और इसके लिए ये नेसेसरी नहीं होता है कि हमें ये वाला टैग, क्लोजिंग टैग यूज करना पड़े. ओके. See here, syntax is opening paragraph tag, then this is a paragraph that is we are writing, and then closing. So this and then again closing. So HTML head, then title, then head close, then body open and body close and HTML close. So this is a paragraph. And this is again a body ending. Okay, so this is a paragraph. Paragraph unity is strength. Paragraph might is right. Okay, so it will written as unity is strength, might is right. Okay, the result of this example will look like something given in the result box site in your web browser. Now we have alignment. Now what is alignment? Basically alignment is the position of the text. Okay, so alignment is used to align the paragraph. That means it does look more readable and attractive. There are 4 types of alignment. So आपने भी देखा होगा जब आप प्रोजेक्ट बनाते हैं तो you are using cursive writing. Okay, or you are changing the position of text. So that is nothing but alignment. This can make your content, your data more attractive. Okay, so again this is used to do the formatting on the text. Now left alignment. So to do left alignment, what we have to do? Again opening, then head, then title, then head close, and then body. Okay, then paragraph, then body, then HTML. So for left align, we will write here paragraph opening, then we will write here alignment without closing the angular bracket. We will write here align, then equals to left to show that we need left alignment, and then we have to write the whole content, and then we will see that all the content of this will look in left alignment. Okay, now this is a picture. Our computer is one of the most brilliant invention of the mankind. It has so become an integral part of the everyone's life. So this was the content. So see here, this is align in left, not in right. Now right alignment. So again we have to follow the same step. HTML head, then title, then head close, then body open. Then we will write all the content, and see after this we will see we have to use here the right alignment. So you have to follow the same steps. You have to write the same content, but just write here right. Okay, right alignment. Now that will look like in right alignment. Now new line tags and line break tags. अगर आपको new line insert करनी है या फिर लाइन को ब्रेक करना है. So see here, यहाँ पे आप enter यूज नहीं करते हैं. That's why we are saying कि यहाँ पे new line के लिए आपको क्या यूज करना पड़ता है. Okay. So see here, to insert a new line or if you want to line break, then BR is used. Insert करने के लिए और line break करने के लिए हम BR को यूज करते हैं. It is used without any closing tag. इसे हम बिना किसी closing tag के यूज करते हैं to insert the text in new line. एक new line में text को insert करने के लिए. The BR tag is simply a forced line break within the text flow of the web page. Use it when you want the text to continue in the next line, such as with poetry. So see here, firstly again HTML open, here HTML close, body open, here body close. Okay, then here we are writing the content, and this is new line. So good morning Rajan. So it will be good morning Aman, good morning Rajan. Now no break and tag and OBR. So no break is represented by a tag that is NOBR in angular brackets. Always do not forget that we use angular brackets to represent tags. Okay. Now this tag is used to display all the text in a single line without any line break that can be seen using the horizontal scrolling. Example, HTML, then head, then title, then head close, then body, then here we are writing a no br. So no br use क्यों करते हैं हम? ताकि हम सारे टेक्स्ट को एक सिंगल लाइन में रख सके without breaking any line. See here, like this. Okay, so HTML, then head, then title, then no break tag, then title, then head, then body, then no NOBR, that is no break, and then you have to write all the content which you want to write in a single line. And here you can see this will look like this. Now again, closing tags. Then we have blank spaces. So NBSP can be used, that is and space, that is blank space can be used to add extra blank space between the text, as the extra blank space is ignored by the web browser. So अगर आपको extra blank चाहिए और अगर आप writing करते हैं then you are using extra breaks, okay, extra blanks. So आपका जो browser है वो उसे ignore करेगा. It will do the blank as per the defaults, okay. But to make extra blank space, we have to follow NBSP. Okay. See here, HTML, then head, then title, then closing title, then head, then body, then we have to write the content, then body close, then HTML. Okay. So this is how your result will look like with a big space. Okay, with the blank space. See here, NBSP. Now we have background color. The background color, that is BG color attribute, is used to change or set the background color. Syntax for this is body BG color. Here BG represents background. Okay. So body BG color equals to color name. So you have to write a color name. Okay. And then name number, then RGB number and angular bracket close. Okay. Example, HTML open, HTML close, head open, head close. Body BG color is red. Now whatever the content you will write after this will have the background of color red. H1, that is heading 1 alignment center introduction to HTML. So introduction to HTML center alignment ke saath. So this is having the color of black, and see here the background color is red. And similarly H2 aligns center features of HTML. So again here H2 and this is center aligned. Now formatting of tags. Formatting makes the web pages looks more attractive and professional. Tags used for formatting are given below. First is bold tag. So main things are bold, italic and underline. So firstly let's cover these. Okay. So for bold we have to simply use B and B close. Okay, it is used to display text in bold face. This is opening and this is also known as container tag. Okay, B tag is container tag here. Okay, so now B opening and B close. So example HTML head title bold tag and title close. Okay, head body here B and then this and then B close. So this will we convert it into bold text. Now italic, for italic you have to use syntax I open and IE close. So this is your opening I and this is your close I. Okay, opening italic tag and closing italic tag. So for this example is HTML, then HTML close, head, then head close, title, italic tag, title. Now body I and then I love my computer, then I close. So see here, I love my computer is written in italic language. Now underline tag, for this you have to use U opening and U closing. Okay, example HTML, then head, then title, then head, then body, then U opening I love my computer, U closing. See here, I love my computer. Strike through, for this you have to use strike. Okay, you have to use strike tag. Okay, you know what is strike? The word you are writing has a strike. Okay, now Strike tag is used to strike a line in the middle of text. Syntax is strike, then text, then strike close. Example HTML, then head, then title, strike through tag, and then title, then head closing, and then body, then strike, then I love my computer, strike close, body close, HTML close. So this will be written as this, I love my computer with the strike through. Now superscript tag. So the thing which you are writing like in a power, like 2 is to power 2, 2 is to power x, these are the superscript. And base power, for example 4 base 10, this is a subscript. Okay, here subscript tag. So for this you have to use sup sub, sup superscript tag, and sub subscript tag. Again, super opening and superscript tag closing. So see here HTML, then head, then title, superscript tag title, then head close, then body, then A plus B, then we are writing here super opening, and then 2, then super closing. So it will be A plus B square. Okay. Here body close and then HTML close. Now see here we have subscript tag. So this tag is used to display the text is slightly below the line as subscript. So जो भी आपको थोड़ा सा बिलो लिखने टेक्स्ट के दैट इज सबस्क्रिप्ट. मोस्टली इट इज यूज्ड टू डिस्प्ले इक्वेशन. ये ज्यादातर किस लिए यूज होता है? इक्वेशन को दिखाने के लिए. सी हियर सिंटैक्स विल बी subscript opening, then text, then subscript closing. Okay. Now example HTML open, head open, title open, then we will write the title, then title close, then we will write opening of heading, then head, then body. Okay, then we are writing here text, then we are writing here subscript, then 2, then subscript, then 0, then center, then body, then HTML, all are in close. Now see here, this H is written in normally, and then 2 is written as subscript, and then O is written normal. So this is H2O. Okay, now we have the center tag. What is the center tag? Is used to display the text image in the center of page or web page. Syntax for this will be center, then text, then center close. So basically आपका text या फिर image जिसको आप center में लाना चाहते हैं, आप इसके लिए इसे follow करेंगे. Example HTML open, head open, title, then we are writing title, title close, then head, then body. Okay, head closing, then body, then center, I am Ranjan, then paragraph opening, I love my computer, paragraph closing, then center close. So this will written in center. So see this, I am Ranjan, I love my computer. Okay. Now body close and HTML close. So this were for the center. Okay, this for the position. This was for the position of the text or image in the screen. Okay. Now horizontal rule. Horizontal is represented by HR. So we will use the tag HR. HR tag is used to create horizontal line or rule to separate the contents of web page. अगर आपको content लिखा है web page में उसे separate करना है with a line, so you have to write here HR. Okay. It is an empty element and has no end tag. ये एक empty element है और इसका कोई भी end tag नहीं होता है. The following attributes are used with it. For example, size, it specifies the thickness of the line in pixel. The default value is 2 pixels. So syntax will be HR, then size equals to, then you have to write here value. Now width, it specifies the horizontal width of the line. The measurement can be either a pixel value or a percentage of the page width. So again you have to write here HR, then width, then value. Now color, it specifies the color of the line. It can be a color name. So syntax, then HR, then HR color, and then you have to write here name. Alignment, again syntax HR alignment, then you have to write here left or right. Then no shade, it allows to draw a solid line without shading. So syntax will be HR no shade. Okay, so see here, these were the HR and then attributes with that. Okay, so example HTML opening, head opening, title opening, then title, then title close, then head close, then body opening, and then we are writing here the text, and here again we are writing that HR size, that is horizontal line, should be 5, width should be 42%, alignment should be here, this is in pixel, this is in percentage, and this is the alignment, and no shade, and then we are writing here. So see here what it will look like. This will look like this. This is horizontal rule or line. Okay. So basically you have to write here the all the customized values for the line. Now font face. This tag is used to display text in particular form. So if you want to write any text in any particular font, you have to use this font face. Syntax is font face then equals to font family. Here what you have to write here, see example, HTML opening, head opening, after that title, then font face, then tag, and then title. Head body font face should be Arial. Here you have to write the type of font like Arial, Calibri, okay. It is in Arial font. Now font BR, font face, for example Times, it is in Times font. Font face Courier, it is in the Courier font. So see here we are having three text, okay, and having three different kind of fonts. Then body close and then HTML close. Now we have the size of font and the color of font. So we all know that for doing formatting we have so many steps, okay. We used to make the text bold, italic, underline, strike, subscript, superscript, okay. Now we have the font size and the color as well, okay. So to change the font size and color, the following tags are used. Syntax are font size, that is size in number, and then we have font color, and then you have to write here color name. So here we have two tags, font size and font color. Just use this and you can do the steps. So HTML, then head, then title, then head close, then body, okay. Now font face, here we are writing Arial size, okay, Arial, then size 10, okay. Font face is Arial and size is 10. Then color we are writing pink, and then we are using the angular bracket to close it. Then this display the text in BR Arial font, okay, and BR size. So this is again whole is the coding. Now we can see here in the picture, this display the text in Arial font size 10 and its color is red, okay. Its color is red, and here because it is written red, okay. Now we have image tag, okay. So now we can use or we can insert image in our text as well, okay. So see, image tags are used to display image or picture on web page. Image tag हम क्यों use करते हैं, ताकि हम image को insert और add कर सके अपने web page में. Now this image can be of type BMP, JPEG format और GIF format as well. So अगर आपकी image BMP, JPEG और GIF format में होगी तो आप उन्हें डाल सकते हैं. See, syntax of this is image src, that is source, and the name of the image. To insert an image you need to provide the complete location, okay, or we can say URL or the path of image. The alignment of image can be taken as left, right, top, bottom or middle alignment. So आपको सबसे पहले image लेने के लिए image का path specify करना पड़ता है. आपको path पता होना चाहिए, location पता होना चाहिए to insert a image, okay. And another thing which we are saying is alignment भी आपको वहाँ पे लिखना पड़ेगा. So see here, the other attributes are height, width, border and alt. So height for this is define height of image in number or percentage, define width of image in number and percentage, define border around the image can be a numeric value, okay. Allows alternative text to be displayed when image not found. So see here we have examples. First is, then we are writing here again the code, head, then HTML, then head, then title, title close, then head close, body, then we are writing main thing, that is image, then source, then we are writing the whole path, okay. Then width 200, then height 225, then alt, file not found, alt what is alt, the error message, okay. अगर आपकी image नहीं आई तो कुछ और आना चाहिए, ठीक है. And then alignment should be center border equals to 2, then body close, HTML close. So this will look like this, okay. So अगर आपकी image नहीं आई तो ये दिखाएगा file not found, अगर आपका address या फिर हम कह सकते हैं location गलत होगा. Now we have the key points of this chapter. Heading tags are used to define different heading levels in an HTML document. Heading tags हम use करते हैं so that we can make a HTML document and there are so many different heading level as well. सबसे बड़ा सबसे छोटा H1, H2, H3 and up to H6. Now formatting tag makes web pages more attractive and interesting. Formatting tag से हम क्या करते हैं, अपने टेक्स्ट को, अपने डॉक्यूमेंट को more attractive और interesting बनाते हैं. Paragraph tag allows you to define a new paragraph. P tag that is paragraph tag हमें बताता है कि हम एक नया पैराग्राफ लिख रहे हैं. Alignment tag allows you to align the paragraph that looks more readable. Alignment से क्या करते हैं हम, alignment change करने से हम more readable बना देते हैं अपने डॉक्यूमेंट को. Now BR tag allow you to insert line break and no space tag can be used to insert blank space. Okay? आप अगर टेक्स्ट के बीच में blank space करेक्ट कर सकते हैं. Okay, insert कर सकते हैं. Now BG color that is background color tag is used to define the background color of the web page. Now superscript tag allows to text. Now superscript tag allows to display text slightly above the line. जो हमारा superscript है वो क्या करता है, हमारे टेक्स्ट से थोड़ा सा slightly above दिखाने के लिए यूज होता है टेक्स्ट का. Okay. Now this tag that is center tag is used to display text or image in the center of the web page. This is used to position the picture or the text in the center of the web page. So student, that was all about your key points as well as the chapter. I hope each and every concept of this chapter is totally clear to you. On the basis of above explanation, you people have to perform this activity and all of the question of this back exercise that will make you perfect in computers. So again, I hope each and every concept is totally clear to you. If you found any query in any part of this chapter, please go once again to this video so that your concept is totally clear. Now I will meet you in the next video with another amazing chapter. Till then, keep on learning, stay healthy, take care, bye bye.